In this video, I will show you how to AI generate a page or a section in Hostinger website builder. Let's start with how to generate a section using AI. First, click on Add Section. Now, from this left side list, click on Generate Section. Now, describe your section. For example, create me a contact us section, phone, address, website, and email for my kids' toys e-commerce shop. Hit create section. This is a contact us section for kids toys e-commerce shop. As you can see, a little description and contact and email information, and also a contact form. This is how to add a contact us section using AI. Now let's see how to generate a wall page using AI. Go to pages and navigation and click on add page, and now click on generate page. Describe your page. For example, create me a contact us page with phone, address, Google Maps, and contact email for my e-commerce shop selling kids toys. Click on create page and wait a moment. And this is my contact us page created using AI. As you can see, a little bit of description, a contact form, a little photo, a Google Maps, and the contact information, and a bonus reviews. Don't forget to update your website to make your changes public. And this is how to add a section or a page using AI in Hostinger website builder.